No child must be left behind. It's the vision of a team of educators who are committed to ensuring all children have access to an education, even if it means walking to every community and writing on walls. With this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, here's Kian Morgan.
It's minutes after 6 in the morning. A little off schedule due to the rains, but not enough to stop Tanika McCoy Phipps and her team from completing their daily mission. After covering their journey with a short prayer, these educators with teaching equipment and protective gear in tow set off to their first community, Tavares Gardens off Spanish Town Road in Kingston. This is a makeshift blackboard. And on today's agenda, reading comprehension and measurement. It's for students, especially those in inner city communities like this one, who are having a challenge accessing online learning.
I realized that we were not only having a health pandemic, we were having also an education pandemic. So I said, boy, we have to just turn our hand, make fashion, can't roll over and play dead.
And so she got proactive. Sharing her idea with her family, Mrs. Phipps, an early childhood educator for over 2 decades, says that they all agreed to paint blackboards and upload schoolwork for students across 8 communities. On a fair day, the team would disperse to tackle multiple communities before the sun comes out. But due to the rain, they huddled together, offering support. O'Neill Dixon, a parent who came out to copy the information for his sons, says he anticipates the update every morning.
When school stops, I never have no time to talk, I'm at work. So when I come from work late, I know them get a set of work for them.
With their job here complete, the team makes a trek to another community. These residents too anticipate their arrival.
This is the easy way to do things right now.
Not all of them is going to be able to take up a book on their own because they're children and children just loves to play. So then in that case, we have to be monitoring them to ensure that education gets its fair share of their lives.
And the children aren't the only ones benefiting.
Some of these persons did not get in the right start. And so this work now kind of bringing them back into that mode where they have left off all these years.
I have some little things that me myself never know about and them catch me up, so I like the program.
I wish I go to school, come and yard to me.
But doing this is just the half. When the team is finished with all communities, they go back home to prepare for their actual job. That is, their online classes. They admit, doing both is tedious, but fulfilling.
Being able to hand these children the same ticket that we use to get out of this state, then it encourages me every morning.
I have to put on my gloves and have my sanitizer and hold up my hand with my pen and give them that little tick, and a little smiley face, put a little flowers or whatever it is, and they run off and feel like them bright. We always like see it, and show all their friends, we get it right, we get everything. It feels so good.
The only problem now is when it rains, the information is lost. So getting sheds to protect the info would be ideal. Nevertheless, they're hoping educators in other communities mimic their initiative and implement their own blackboards.
If everybody is just proactive and they just put their shoulder to the wheel, none of our kids will be left behind.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.